it makes a huge difference to my hair. I am absolutely obsessed with it. There's just so much more I can do with my hair now that it's just thicker, fuller, longer, so many different hairstyles. I just love this piece so much. So I'm actually, as much as I don't want to, I'm going to take it off for you so that I can show you what it looks like when it's not on my head and show you what my bio hair looks like in all its glory before I'm wearing this. All right, so I'm going to start by unlocking the baby comb locks that are on this piece. I believe there is 7 on mine. As you can see, you can't see them at all, which is amazing. And all I do is kind of press on them to open them up. And again, since every piece is customizable, your piece may have more or less comb locks than mine. That just depends on how big your base is and where your hair loss needs are. So I've gone ahead and opened up all of those, and then all I'm going to do is start lifting it up. And my hair is currently, oh, I forgot one of them. My hair is currently weaved between, as you can see, maybe I'll show you this way. As I pull it up, you can see my bio hair is weaved between all of the little openings in the actual InvisaBlend. So this part I just want to be extra careful with, make sure I'm not pulling anything, and it comes right off just like that. Whew. So I'll brush my bio hair in a second so you can see what I'm working with, but this is the piece here. So pretty. I just love the color. Hang on, let me come in close and show you what the weave pattern looks like. So that's what I'm talking about. My hair was actually woven through each one of these openings, which gave it that natural appearance, but also made the piece mold to my head, which is great. You want it to feel secure and you don't want it to feel like anything. And I can honestly say that I don't feel it on my head. These are the baby comb locks that I was talking about, super gentle. They open and close like so. They're not like your standard clip. They're a lot gentler, a lot lighter, and yet they still help to secure it to your head. So that's what the inside looks like. And like I said, every piece is going to have a different size base. This is what the top looks like. All right, I just grabbed my brush here so you can see the difference. As you can see with my own natural hair, it's baby fine. It's a lot better than it used to be though, but my part is quite large, quite visible. It gets worse towards the actual crown of my hair. So this provides me so much coverage. My bio hair is getting quite a bit longer. As you can see, it's pretty much the length of the InvisaBlend, which is awesome. However, it gets so thin towards the end. So I just love that the InvisaBlend kind of fills everything out and makes my hair look all the same